Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. This graphics card is based on the NVIDIA Turing architecture. It has 4 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 128-bit memory interface. This GPU was very cheap, it costed me only $258. Alright, now let's unbox this graphics card. Here we have the quick start guide. Let's go ahead and break open the seal. Alright, so here is the GPU. It's very compact, it's ideal for small factor PCs. It's only got one fan. And here we have the outputs of the GPU. There's the GPI, the HDMI, and the display port. I'm going to go ahead and remove the PCI Express cover. Let's go over to the back of the GPU here. The GPU doesn't have a protective plate, which makes sense because the GPU is very small. It doesn't really need one. And the heatsink is really small too. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the PCI Express slot here. And I'm going to insert the GPU. One advantage of using this GPU is that it doesn't need a 6-pin power connector from the PSU. Next, I'm going to secure the GPU to the PC case. Alright guys, so now since the GPU is installed in the computer, I'm going to turn it on. As you can see, there are no fancy RGB lights, which is expected from a GPU at this price point. Alright, now that the GPU is properly installed, I'm going to run the benchmarking tool here to benchmark the GPU. Before running the benchmarking, I'm just going to show you guys that the GPU is running in its default clock settings, nothing is overclocked. Now let's run the 3D test. Alright, and here we have the 3D graphics mark score here. It has done 9,373 points, which is higher than what an average 1650 graphics card does, which is really good for this price. And this is the end of this video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.